and show you the rest of the front of this handlebar and some other features on the bike. Okay, so I'm going to turn this around and put the kickstand down. And then I'm going to hop up on this. So I adjusted this seat to fit me so that I could sit on this and kind of show you the rest of the features on the bike. So let's start here on the handlebars. I'm going to show you how to turn this on. So right here is the power switch. And when you turn this on, you'll see the green light on this bar here. And this shows you the power of your battery, how full your battery is. Okay, so on this side, you can also see it has front and rear disc brakes. You can see those here. And then it also has a rack installed on the back, and you can purchase a basket separately to attach to that so you can carry things. And also on the front, you can also attach a basket here for extra storage. All right, so I'm going to go over some of the specs on this, and I'll also put that spec sheet up here so you can refer to that. So this bike weighs about 45 pounds, and so I'll just show you how easy it is to kind of lift. So pretty lightweight. It goes to about 15.5 miles per hour, depending uphill, downhill. The battery is a lithium ion, and the plug for that is here, so it's covered so that water doesn't get in there. It's IP54 waterproof. Okay, so the weight capacity on this bike is 165 pounds. So the distance is depending on if you're pedaling or not. So for non-pedaling, you can get 13 to 15 miles per charge. And if you're pedaling, you can get 20 to 23 miles per charge. So it has a 350 watt motor, and it takes about 3 to 4 hours to charge the motor. And it has front and rear headlight and tail light, so you can drive this at night. So this is perfect for if you're on campus or you're just riding around town or running up to the store quickly or running through maybe the city. So pretty much anywhere you might use a scooter. This is actually better because you have more stability. Okay, so now that we've covered all the details, let's take this for a spin and see how it performs. Okay, so we are ready to go. And I just want to tell you one more thing is in order to accelerate, you're going to pull this one backwards, the right handle. And then to brake, of course, you're going to use the brakes here. This button here is also the cruise control. So once you get going, you can just cruise along. All right, so let's go. Here we go. All right, this has nice acceleration. Right now, I'm not pedaling. I'm pedaling. So this feels like a normal bike. And then I'll go ahead and kick the power back on. And you can see how fast I'm going. It does feel like I'm going about 15 miles per hour based on my scooter. Wow, that was so much fun. I loved checking this out. I had a lot of fun riding this around. I can't wait to take it for a longer spin. So again, I want to just give you a little bit of information. This is an e-bike, foldable e-bike from DYU. This model is the C3 14-inch model. They have different models. You can check out their website. I'll put a link down in the description along with any coupon codes I may have. and you can check them out. DYU offers a 14-day return policy and a 1-year warranty. Show you one more time how you can fold these handlebars down so that you can carry this. So you can carry this like in your car. You can carry it on a bus, a subway, a ferry, anywhere that you think that you can ride an electric bike or scooter. You can carry this. So have it folded down, and then I just grab it on these two right here, and you can see I can lift this pretty easily and then just lift this up to put it in my car. If you found today's video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content, and I'm going to take off and enjoy my bike. Bye!
But eventually I have to pedal and